Hello guys, welcome back to another part of PHP tutorial. In today's class we are going to learn about variables used in PHP. A PHP variable is used for storing some values or expression. While creating a web application, you need to save some data or you need to store some expression on certain variables. Every variable name start with a dollar symbol. In PHP, every variable name is start with a dollar symbol. For example, here there are two variables, first name and age. Here you can see that both these variables start with a dollar symbol. Here I initialize the both variables with two values. Now need to specify a data types for variables. Unlike other programming languages like Java, C or C++, in PHP, there is no need to specify separate data types for variables. In the example that given above, you can see that the first name is a variable and age is also another variable. The first name contain a string value and the second variable age contain an integer value. You can see in both these cases, uh, I cannot specify any particular data type for these two variables. That means in PHP there is no need to specify the data types for a variable. PHP will automatically convert the variable types. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore. In PHP, like other languages, in PHP also contains some rules for creating a variable. A variable name must start with a letter or an underscore symbol. For example, here there are two variables, name and age. You can see that the second variable age is start with an underscore symbol. It is a valid variable name. A variable name cannot start with a number. Like in C, C++ or in Java, in PHP also it's not possible to start a variable name with a number. PHP variables are case sensitive. Okay, that's enough for this section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. In the next part, we are going to discuss the PHP variables with a complete working example. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.